A federal judge says a lawsuit claiming Michigan has 26,000 dead people on its voter rolls can continue in court for now, while an audit of Michigan's Bureau of Elections found 99.1% of voter information in the qualified voter file matches what's in the driver's license file. Mara McDonald live tonight. Secretary Benson's office says that voter file has likely never been in better shape.
And Devin, here's the thing. This idea that somehow dead people vote en masse in this state, it is easily and readily disproven if you look at the state Auditor General's audit report. There's some interesting numbers in there. Let me show you. Here's what the numbers say. After the 2020 election, of the more than 11 million votes cast, the audit identified 2,775 voters who were deceased. Of those 2,775, 2,734 were cast by voters who died within 40 days prior to an election, or well within the window to receive an absentee ballot and mail it in.
That audit by the state Auditor General really affirmed the integrity of the 2020 election, but also the integrity of Michigan's elections.
That audit found the Bureau of Elections could do more to make sure the qualified voter file jives with the driver's license file, and it has. In the past, the Bureau of Elections would conduct what it calls a look back before an election to see that the files are in sync. Now?
Is we started doing it quarterly, so we do it on a set schedule regardless of whether there are elections that year or what type of elections they are.
But Secretary Benson is being sued by the Indianapolis-based Public Interest Legal Foundation. The foundation is alleging Benson does not maintain accurate voting rolls based on analysis it has done, claims which have not been proven. Benson's legal team had moved to have the case dismissed, but our federal judge in Grand Rapids says no. For now, it can move on. Back here live, also important to point out, I think, that the judge in Grand Rapids making that decision didn't make it on the merits of the case, rather on procedural issues. We are live downtown tonight. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
Very interesting stuff. All right, Mara.